Hey there digital friends, in this video I am going to show you a new Applock which no one can even notice it. Open Play Store and search for Keynote. Let's open the app and set up. We can keep a lock using the volume keys. We can select how many times we can press the volume buttons. I have selected it 2. I am pressing volume up buttons 2 times, which is kept as the password. You can also set a recovery password in case if you forget the password which you have kept. Now press the buttons which you have set as the password and the app opens, and give the necessary permissions so that you can enable the app lock. Now let us lock some app and test whether this app lock works perfectly or not. There are 3 ways you can lock an app so that no one can notice it. There are so many other options where you can also lock your lock screen. Give the device administration's permission so that no one can uninstall it. Let's open Play Store and test the app. As you can see, we kept the lock for the Play Store. Nothing happens until we enter the password. As we enter the password, the Play Store works. Let us open again. Hence, if you enter the password, the app works and no one can notice it. And if anyone search for Applock, they can't find because this Applock is installed as a note editor. If you enter the password only, you can get the settings of the Applock. Thank you for watching this video guys, and subscribe.